If you're considering Monday.com for your accounting needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your purchase. While it offers a solid platform, there are some things you should be aware of, especially when comparing it to competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. First thing, Monday.com is known for its versatility, but it's primarily a project management tool. It can be customized for accounting, but it may not have the same level of built-in financial features as some of the more traditional accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. So, if you're looking for a dedicated accounting platform, it might not be the best fit for you. Next thing, while you can integrate it with various accounting tools, such as QuickBooks and Stripe, it doesn't come with the same native accounting features like invoicing or tax reporting right out of the box. You'll need to rely on integrations or custom setups, which can add to your workload. This might not be ideal if you're after something with a simple, ready-to-go solution. The third thing is its pricing structure. Monday.com offers different pricing tiers, but none of them are specifically tailored for accounting needs. The pricing can get expensive, especially for smaller teams, when compared to other tools like FreshBooks or Xero that offer more affordable accounting-centric options. The fourth thing, customization. Monday.com excels here. Its flexibility allows you to tailor workflows for your accounting tasks. But this comes with a learning curve. Setting up the system to handle accounting tasks properly can take time, unlike QuickBooks, which is more intuitive for accounting processes. Next thing, support. Monday.com provides decent support, but it's not as specialized as what you'd get with a dedicated accounting solution. Competitors like Xero and FreshBooks offer more in-depth support when it comes to accounting-specific issues, which could be a deal breaker if you rely heavily on your software for financial management. The sixth thing to consider is scalability. Monday.com is great for teams of all sizes, but scaling your accounting needs might become cumbersome without the proper integrations. Accounting tools like QuickBooks Online grow more smoothly with your business, offering features like multi-currency support and advanced reporting that Monday.com can't match out of the box. The seventh thing, mobile usability. Monday.com has a solid mobile app, but if your business relies on on-the-go accounting, it might not be as convenient as other solutions. QuickBooks, for example, has a more seamless mobile experience designed specifically for financial tasks. Next thing, Monday.com offers some automation, but it's more focused on project management and task delegation than on automating accounting functions like invoicing, reminders, or expense tracking. If you want automation to handle financial tasks, you might want to look at a tool like FreshBooks, which includes those features from the start. The ninth thing is reporting. Monday.com can generate reports, but they aren't as robust or specialized for accounting. For example, QuickBooks offers detailed tax reports, profit and loss statements, and balance sheets, all in one click. With Monday.com, you'll likely need to build these reports manually or rely on integrations. The 10th thing, collaboration. Monday.com is a great tool for team collaboration and managing projects, which is a plus if you're working with accountants or a team that handles financials. However, if your needs are strictly accounting related, a tool like Xero or FreshBooks is designed to keep accounting teams on the same page without unnecessary project management features. The 11th thing is the user interface. Monday.com offers an intuitive UI, but its focus is on project management, so you might find it a little overwhelming for accounting needs. QuickBooks, for example, offers a streamlined interface that's built for financial data and reports, making it quicker to navigate for accounting tasks. The 12th thing to keep in mind, Monday.com has a large and active user community, so if you're looking for guidance on setting up accounting workflows, you'll have access to resources. But remember, it's not a community centered around accounting-specific advice like you would find with other accounting platforms. In conclusion, Monday.com is a good option if you're looking for flexibility and the ability to customize your accounting workflows. But if you're looking for a more straightforward, feature-packed accounting solution, you might want to check out our recommended option. It's a more tailored solution for your financial needs and comes with a free trial so you can test it out risk-free.